Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin coming close to $98,000. We're going to jump into the TA. I made a vote on my X whether I should get into Bitcoin with 3 Bitcoin or not. You all voted yes, I bought Bitcoin. It's already up $5,000. So I'm going to give away, and also I had a giveaway for $200 and I might give away more. So watch through to the whole video. Big congratulations. Bitcoin 98K. Ethereum also trade starting to move up. So I'm going to do Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I was watching Bitcoin try to break 97, 96 without stopping. And then I was like, oh shit, I closed my trades at 92. And then I was just too much FOMO. So then I made a vote and you guys voted to jump into the Bitcoin, let's jump into charts for Bitcoin now. So you can see here now I'm already in a trade active on Bitcoin. Oh wow, 1.4 million all-time high puzzle hunt on Bybit. So 9797 my account, jumping back a lot today, from 789 to 79. So I made around $8,000 today, which is beautiful. This is Bitcoin. This is when I sold Bitcoin. Maybe a week ago, I sold it at 92 after buying it at 90, and then I sold it at 92 and I thought it was going to correct. And then we pushed higher. Then I made a vote a few hours ago. Should I buy Bitcoin at 96 because I was FOMOing, and then you all voted yes and I bought it. Now we're at 4,700 in the profits. My Ethereum trade from yesterday. Also, when Ethereum came down on the dip this morning, I added more to my Ethereum trade, which I also posted at X. And I exactly added more on the bottom there. So now my Bitcoin trade is $4,700 in the profits. My 2,200 Ethereum trade. This Ethereum trade is worth 2,200 in the profits. Stop loss below 2,700. Liquidation. Bitcoin 3, Bitcoin $4,700 in the profits. $14,000 of margin. Liquidation at 92. And I'm just going to let that, I'm not going to try and defend that liquidation if it comes close. Maybe drop it under 89, but depending how Bitcoin reacts. My world trade is $50,000 worth of value, negative $3,000 currently. So those are my 3 active trades on Bitcoin. Account 797, 3 active trades on Bybit. And this was me over on X. You can follow me on X, 93,500 followers. Bitcoin hitting 95, my trades closed at 92. Do not chase here. But then I was FOMOing. This was when in February of 2023. Buying Bitcoin and altcoins today will be life-changing. That was when Bitcoin was just hitting 20K. This is the opposite news of the 2017 bull market. China banning Bitcoin FUD. Now China unbanning Bitcoin at 98K. Chinese courts rules Bitcoin and crypto ownership legal as Bitcoin surges. This is great news. And Bitcoin coming very close to hitting 100K. Now we're at 90K, almost touching God. People making fun. Australian Parliament website is being overloaded. Check that out if you're free speech. Aussie MAGA, they're trying to block free speech in Australia and online access unless you have a digital ID. Crazy totalitarian stuff. You can follow it. And here we'll pick someone, stick to here. I can start posting, here. Should I buy 3 Bitcoin 6 hours ago on this tiny ass dip? That's when I was FOMOing in. Should I buy 3 Bitcoin on this tiny ass dip? 257 votes in a few hours, 6 hours ago, 257 votes, 73 of you % yes. So I said 3 Bitcoin, pray for me. Do not copy me. This is FOMO because I sold at 62, 68, 70, 88, 92, and I'm crying watching it nonstop. You guys voted yes. And then 6 minutes later it was in profits, 970. 30 minutes later it was in $3,200 in profits. And 6 hours later we are now $4,600 in profits. Thank you, everyone. And now I'm going to choose the winner of $200, and then I'll choose the winner. Whoever comments in any of my posts in the next 24 hours is following me and retweeting. I will choose one person for $200 today in my video. I'll choose randomly. So let me do the TA on Bitcoin, and then we'll choose the market right now. Altcoins not doing well on Bitcoin pump. Goat up 17%. We were buying it at 35 cents. Guru Ventures. Bitcoin at 98K, 4% up. It's pulling back a little bit, but the pullbacks have been quite small. Total market cap 3.1 trillion. Ton up 2%. Ethereum up 2.4%. Doge 1%. Dominance, Bitcoin dominance 61%. And tech companies a little bit pulling back. Let's go into Bitcoin. On the weekly charts, we've still got the big patterns playing out exactly as we've been saying for months. Huge cup and handle on Bitcoin. The target of the cup and handle was the base of the cup, so this distance here. this distance here on the cup and handle. So this will be the main target of Bitcoin run, in my opinion, this cup and handle. And I would put it off that trend line. So the target is 106,000. Then we have this bull flag also on the weekly, massive bull flag. The target of this bull flag is 104,000. And we've got the Crypto Guru bot, which you'll get at jamescryptoguru.com. If I had a blue buy back in February 2023 when I posted that message, it was 20K, 22K, or 21K. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy 3 weeks ago, and it's been 4 weeks straight up of buy. Let's go closer into the daily. Into the daily, we're just shooting up. Volume is still growing. Volume predicts price. The volume is growing on Bitcoin. It's just reaching for the moon, heading up very strongly. Let's go closer. Huge. This would be considered a massive bull flag now. In the beginning, so rising wedges on Bitcoin. If it's in the bullish momentum, rising wedges actually break up to the upside, it seems. So that's interesting to see. Usually rising wedges break to the downside, but it doesn't. It actually looks more like, if I measure it out like that, looks more like a bullish pennant. Target of this bullish pennant is 109,000. Bitcoin broke out of this bullish pennant. Volume still growing. It touched 98,400 and then pulled back a little bit. Little bull flag also, as we zoom closer onto the hourly, you see this little bull flag here as well. Bullish pennant. Pole and flag. If we measure that out, a bull flag target of this small bullish pennant would be 100K. 100K, a lot of things line up. It's one of the big resistance, and it's the full number. I do think Bitcoin, it's just not stopping. Like, if you look at the actual time frames, closer time frames, Bitcoin doesn't pull back much. Even if you look at the 15-minute time frame, we pumped to 98K and then pull back to 96,700 and then back to 98K. Here we pumped to 94K and then it dropped to 93K and then just pushed up. Here we pumped to 94K, dropped to 91K and then just pushed up. So it's just constantly pushing up with very little downward momentum. If you haven't caught a trade yet, to be honest, I don't know. It just doesn't stop. This doesn't seem to pull back. If you want to try and get in, try to catch it on a little bit of support, or when you think it's pulled back a lot, maybe right now, just pull back. But I would be very cautious. If you look at my account, the margin on this Bitcoin trade, $4,700 in the profits, but the margin of this Bitcoin trade is $14,000. So if you look at that in relation to my account, 10% of my account would be $79,000. So it's like 2% of my account on this trade. You have to understand that. It's only 2% that I'm risking, 14K. So be very cautious. Don't risk more than 2%. Be very defensive up here. Your time not to go all in. Only risk 2% of your account on this trade, whatever that may be. I would try to catch it on any pullback that you could, but with very tight stop loss and target. I would take it to the 104K. I don't think 100K is going to stop. It will be a little bit of selling pressure, but it's unknown now. We don't know how strong this. Imagine USA announces Bitcoin reserve right now or something like this. Or if they are already buying the Bitcoin reserve, why is it pumping so strongly without pullbacks? So I would open 97,383, stop loss 97, take profit at 104, risk to reward 25 times, risking 300 to make 7,700. And I just want to say a big congratulations everyone who's buying with me at 16K. If you've been following these videos, if you remember my 40 Bitcoin trade at 19K, if you remember the journey over the last year, almost 2 years from the bottom of Bitcoin, if you remember the dark times of the bear market 2022, that was a difficult time, and Bitcoin now at 100K, big congratulations to everyone. If you remember back then in the bear market, I didn't have a beard and I didn't have hair. Now I have so much hair and a big beard, which is beautiful. Let's jump back into Ethereum now. Ethereum not really doing, it was up 2% now, but before it wasn't doing much. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, bullish pennant, bull flag. So bullish pennant, pole and bullish pennant, and it looked like it was breaking down, but it's back inside the bullish pennant. Target of the bullish pennant is 3,500. Then if we measure look at all the different targets. I've got one target here from this big descending triangle that goes back years. The target on this one is 4,100. The target on that big descent is 4,600. Then you have this bullish pennant. The target of the bullish pennant is the smaller descending triangle is 3,500. Then the bullish pennant, this line here is can't connect it. Let's try. It's hard to catch these. There's too many lines to grab it. Let's see. Okay. the target of this little bullish pennant would be this target here. If we measure it there, that target would be, and it looks like it's about to break out right now. Target of that one will be 3,800. Look, it lines up with that bigger resistance line. Very interesting. 3,800 for Ethereum. Then it might have one, like say it does play out like this. Usually these symmetrical triangles build out like this and break out 70% of the move. So I don't think it might have a small pullback here, but it's very close to breaking out of this massive symmetrical triangle, that target of 7,500. If you measure out this symmetrical triangle, you learn all of this in the crypto master course. 70% of the move would be 7,500. And I'm in my Ethereum trade already. My Bitcoin trade 4,300, my Ethereum trade 1,900. My world trade is still slightly down. Now let's pick out, so whoever messages, I'm just going to go here. You can see how many people messaging, and just in general, look how many views I have actually. You're looking at the back of my account, so in the premium, and then we go to analytics. Look how much in the last 1 week, 1.3 million people have seen my post, around 250,000 people per day, 5% engagement. Look at that, profile visits up 10,000. This is the last week. And then if we go to the last month, almost 3.7 million people have been watching my posts on X, which is incredible. I'm becoming a bit famous, quite famous, which is beautiful. Now let's pick the winner of who's been supporting me. Because of, and you can see here, this is where I made the vote, should I buy Bitcoin? And you guys voted yes. So you guys made me this 257 votes. You guys made me this money. So I'm going to give, yes, you should buy. There's unprecedented times. Rules, I sold 94,000, bought back at 95,700. Yes. There's a bearish divergence. I miss your poll, but what are your thoughts? So I'm going to pick, but I said on any post. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to, anyone who mentions me. So now I'm going to, so if you posted on anything, if any of my posts, if you commented on any of my posts, or if you commented anywhere, I'm going to pick one winner now for this 200. Ready? I'm just going to scroll through a lot of people and then scroll back up. So it loads them all. This is the last 50 minutes, guys. Last 1 hour. This is why it's very hard for me to answer people. I try to answer as many as I can, but this is the last 1 hour. So, okay, I want to load many because I don't want it just to be the last 2 hours. That picture, that was a meme. Or okay, ready? So last 3 hours, I want to load more. So I'm going to just randomly scroll. Ready? And the winner is... we can't put that one. And the winner is Heavy. Let's go get lucky. 11 said, congratulations. $200. Yoo-hoo! My team will contact you. Congratulations, $200. My team will contact you. I'm going to screenshot for the team. Now I want to pick, so that was the $200 giveaway. I'm going to send your USDT address. My team will contact you to organize it, but just from my official account with the blue check mark. Make sure, be careful. Now I want to pick people who support my videos. So if you commented here, I'm going to reward people. If you guys think I give, who remembers how much I gave? Let me know who remembers how much I usually give on Christmas. Do you remember the Christmas at the Eagle's Nest with the giant Christmas tree in 2021? Or last year when I gave out, who remembers me on Christmas? Why do you think I grew my beard, guys? So make sure you follow me on Christmas. I'm going to go crazy. So I'm going to pick someone here. I said 2 or 3 times on your comment that Cardano will have a huge breakout. Please, James, look at the charts. Amazing. Good morning. So I'm going to pick a winner from here. Ready? Of just anyone who's commented on my video. We're going to contact you. Just message on the comment. So, okay, the winner is Love Your Hair. Congratulations. I'm going to give out $100. Congratulations. Winning $100. Congratulations. I'm picking $100. Love Your Hair. Thank you, Son of Men. Now I want to go into Telegram. I only was going to do a $200 giveaway, but because all of you, I asked you to vote on that post and you made me $4,100, I'm going to give out more. So let's go on to, let's do another one on X. Even another one. And the winner is CryptoTunity. Congratulations. You win $100. Team will contact you. Make sure you always watch my videos, everyone. So, okay, let's go into the Telegram now. I'm just going to pick... My team's got a load of work now. Okay, ready? Congratulations, 127K. Booyah. People chatting. People discussing 689% on Slurf. He made... Hi, James. Seems like you've missed the last boat. He jumped into the last wagon. James is very smart. No one fucked with him about trading. Learn from him. Thank you, 28. $100 win for you. Congratulations in my video. Okay, team will contact you. Okay, that's enough. I don't know how much I gave away just now, but thank you everyone for the support. All the links are down below. Make sure you follow everything and trading with us. Down below, you can sign up to Bybit. It's my favorite exchange for trading. Bybit 60K bonus, lowest fees, best exchange. Weex is good for USA, UK, and Australia. $200 on sign up, 20K bonus. And the other exchanges, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you all for the amazing support. Big congratulations. Let's check out Bitcoin, what the price is before I... Bitcoin going for... Where is it? Doge, Bitcoin. Bitcoin going back for 98. A little bit, pulled back a little bit. Going to 90, not back at 98, which is awesome. Let's see how long it takes to get to 100K. We're very close. We're about from 100K where Bitcoin is right now. 2% away, 2.14% away from $100,000. Big congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to the winner. Make sure to follow me. I give away like crazy for Christmas. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.